Hey guys, how are you? If you are watching this video, then most probably your Wikipedia page has been nominated for deletion. I know it's quite depressing that the page on which you had put in so much of efforts has been nominated for deletion, and that user is someone who has taken a pseudonym and you'd have no idea who is that person and where in the globe is that user situated. Nonetheless, I know it's quite disheartening, but let's see what we can do. In this video, I'm going to talk about some efforts that you can take in and some points that I consider while dealing in an article for deletion, that is an AFD debate. Alright, let's start. So, here I am on the Wikipedia page, and whatever the language you are working in, the process works exactly the same. So, let's go for the English one right now. First of all, you must create an account. I know there are lots of people who work with their IP addresses, but I do not recommend using an IP address. First of all, you must create your account. It takes hardly 2 minutes. Just enter your username, password, confirm password. Email address is optional, but I must suggest that you may enter your email address, because if you forget your password for XYZ reason, if you do not have your email address, then there will be no method to retrieve your password. So if you have entered your email address, then you will be given forgot password mail. And even if you have created your account, that's also not a worry. You can add up your email address at any time later. Then that's the captcha security check, and here's you create your account. All right. So here I am on the articles for deletion page on Wikipedia. It's commonly abbreviated as AFD page. So alright, here are the complete guidelines which I suggest you must read. So let me take you to some recent random article. It's today is 7 June on when I'm recording this video. So alright, there are 22 nominations only for today till now when I'm recording this. So let's take anyone. Alright, it's a company. Let's take it. Okay, so this is the dreaded tag which all of the Wikipedia editors just hope and dream of not getting it on their page, but nonetheless. So if this company is having this page, first of all, if I am a third party neutral user, and if I have to see, first of all I see what's the content. This does this content makes any sense? Is it neutral point of view? Then I look at the references. Are those verifiable, independent, and all the guidelines? Then I go to the deletion talk page. Okay. So this is the standard deletion format wherein the user, whoever has nominated the deletion, write his comments that why has he nominated this deletion. So it has been written that the article fails the this is the notability for companies, as well as it's written in a promotion style. So even you can go there and you can have a reading that it says notability for companies. There are also general notability guidelines, but this one is for specifically for companies. And the user Angry Sky says that there are the elements of Wikipedia promotion. This means that the article has been written in a sense which makes a promotion, and Wikipedia is very clear that the article should be having a neutral point of view and it should not be having any kind of promotion sense. So all right, it was listed on 30th of May, and the Wikipedia gives 7 days for general discussion. After 7 days, either a decision is taken, which may be a keep or a delete, or it may be even a relisting that has been done on this page to generate a more thorough discussion and a clear consensus. So first of all, you should be clear in your mind that the AFD debate at Wikipedia is a consensus. It is not a vote. So most of the young users, what they believe is that they start getting keeps and keep and keep, but that's not how things work out here. Alright, then if I have to see that whether should I post a keep comment or should I post a delete comment, as I told you, I will first of all read this entire article. I will see what kind of article it is, what kind of subject it is, Then I will see the references, that are those references really, are those verifiable, are those independent. So let me open this first reference for instance. Okay, so this is all about some website optics.org, and then it talks about but I really can't see where's the subject in it. If I go for a thorough search, I maybe definitely find it. So that's how the things work out here. So this company was Holoxica Limited. So do I really have Holoxica in it? Let's see. One striking presentation was made by Javed Khan, the founder of Holoxica startup. Okay. So guys, see one thing. If you are making out references for Wikipedia, first of all, those references have to be third party. That is, if you are making a page for Holoxica, then the references have to be a third person and it should not be made out of Holoxica. Then the references that you are citing should be some notable and reputed references. Like for example, Forbes magazine, Fortune magazine, Vogue. They are reputed and they are notable. Here I am seeing that the personal comments of the founder has been written here, and so this can be taken as a primary evidence, not sufficiently suitable. However, if I see, yeah, I'm very perfect. This will be considered as a primary evidence because it has been given primary comments by the owner himself. So therefore, this reference become kind of not relevant for the Wikipedia. So in this way, we go for all the references. We check detailed 10 references. Like in this article debate, if you ever have seen that this person has who is commenting for delete has also written that it is clearly promotional and would take a fundamental right to not be. So there are a lot of comments in these debates that needs to be sorted out. Now coming to the point that if your page has been nominated for deletion, what to do? Let's see if this is the page you want to save. What can be done? First of all, just try to find out which lines are promotional and which lines are not. If you see it's a hard tech company working on disruptive holographic 3D technologies, so I would remove the word disruptive. I can clearly see that there are promotional sentences which needs to be cleaned up thoroughly. Company has successfully demonstrated several generations. These has to be written in a nuclear point of view, which means that Holoxica has demonstrated several generations. Just remove the word successfully. So this entire article will need some kind of cleanups. Then I will talk about building up references. References have to be really notable. I can't see some notable references out here. Those need to be notable and those have to be some recent. All these references are since 2012, 2011. We are in 2020. These are 8 years back. So this means that this article has no mention since the last 8 years. Was it a one-time event? If it was a one-time event or a run-of-the-mill startup, these are some jargons. Please bear with me. Considered in Wikipedia guidelines. So these will be completely removed. Then I will see that most of the sources are unverifiable and go to 404 pages. If I want to save this page, I will see the references and which references are going to the 404 page. I will try to remove and to refix all those references. Then I will try to sort out what kind of reasons that it was nominated for deletion. If it says that the article fails the notability for companies, then I will try to build up on my references. I will do Google search, I will dig up all these search engines and I will try to find out more and more notable references. See, the term notability is really subjective, and if you believe that an article for deletion page 99.9% of times the page is deleted, but there are 0.1 times when the page is saved as well. Then there are the elements of promotion. We can easily build up. This is clearly that the promotion lines can be cleaned up and this concern can be settled. If it's about the notability, we can work upon the references. So that's how we work and we save your articles for deletion. So guys, Wikipedia is a whole big directory in itself. It has a lot of guidelines, like here you can see there are lots of guidelines and Wikipedia essays. and these Wikipedia essays require a lot of experience and answers to be scaled in a deftly drafted manner. So if your page has been nominated for deletion, please let us know in the comments. We can think about what can we do to save your page. And if you have any query, just let me know. I am there to help you and to make your Wikipedia journey much smooth. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please make sure to watch our next video. Thank you.